In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Skool community course. If you're looking to remove a course entirely from your Skool community, follow these easy step-by-step instructions. To get started, we'll need to head over to Skool. Open up your web browser and perform a quick Google search for Skool. Once the search results appear, go ahead and click on the first result. This will take you directly to the Skool website. Upon reaching the site, you'll want to log in using your account credentials. Locate the login button, enter your email and password, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see a navigation menu on the upper left-hand side of the screen. Here, look for a symbol with two arrows. Clicking on these arrows will provide you access to a drop-down menu with different options. Your focus should now be on selecting the community where the course you intend to delete resides. Click on the name of your chosen community from the drop-down list. Inside the community page, direct your attention to the Classroom tab. You'll typically find this tab in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. Once you click on Classroom, you'll see a list of all the courses available within that particular community. Scroll through until you find the course you'd like to delete. Once located, you'll notice three little dots beside the course name. Click on these dots and you'll see a small menu drop down. From this menu, choose the Delete Course option. After selecting Delete Course, a confirmation window will appear, prompting you to make sure that you indeed want to proceed with the deletion. This step ensures that you don't accidentally remove a course you still want to keep. Double check to ensure you've selected the right course. When you're ready to proceed, finalize the action by clicking on Delete in the confirmation window. Your course will be permanently removed from the community, so be absolutely sure you no longer need it before taking this final step. And there you have it, a straightforward and simple way to delete a Skool community course effectively. Whether you're managing multiple courses or simply keeping things tidy within your community, this method allows you to swiftly remove content you no longer need. As always, make sure to navigate carefully through your Skool environment to avoid removing crucial content accidentally. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any more questions or need assistance with additional features on Skool, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other instructional videos.